your butt this time, babe.
And will the dishes just do themselves, will they?
Oh, come on, babe. Get your away out. Just you and me. You and me and a big man on the stair.
You've been drinking again. Will you stop it? I need to get the dinner done before the kids come home from football. I work all day, then I come home, kids, dinners, dishes. I'm tired, okay?
Look, you know what, Tracy? Just forget it. See, my biggest regret was fucking marrying you.
You should listen to your mum. Yeah. You say that all the time. Maybe you should have.
Don't you ever fucking talk about my mum. She's right about you. Look at me. Fat and ugly. Nobody else should want you. You should be grateful I fucking did.
Look, I'm sorry. I'm just tired, okay? I'm sorry.
Oh, that game was brilliant, that was.
That last goal was amazing.
That was incredible.
Kids, going up the stairs. I'll get your dinner up to you soon. On you go, quickly.
Mum, is it Dad? Are you okay?
Go up the stairs.
Good girl, Jess, up you go, no, your brother. He thinks he's a big man, don't he?
It's the matter, he's not said a thing.
Oh, stupid. Your ears, heard what he said?
I was checking on Mum.
So is this you come to protect her, is it, big man? Give it a try. See the punishment you get.
Dad, I don't want...
Dad!
Jim!
So why are you chatting, son? I thought the rest of you better, Matt. Come on. I'll get your first punch. Right here. Get your best shot.
Come on, let's just go to the room and talk. Thomas, go to your room.
Of course you got a wee bit rough and tumble now, didn't you want earlier, did you?
Jim!
Her mum's been cheating on me, Thomas. She'll no have sex with me. Her own husband. She must be holding it elsewhere, Tracy. So is it? Huh?
Will you stop in front of Thomas, please?
Dad, Mum never goes anywhere to cheat. You know that's not true. Calm down.
Calm down. Tell me you fucking calm down. Calm down, you wee fucking prick! Calm down, you wee fucking prick! Fucking
You okay? Tommy? Tommy? Sorry. Sorry. Are you okay?
Don't look okay.
I'm sorry. I'm too scared to help.
Never do help, Jess. It's always me and Mum, never you.
Let me help you.
I wish you would die, Jess. I hate him. I hate him. I hate him.
I know, but he's still our dad.
Even when what's so wrong, you should protect us. I wish we could all just run away and start over. Why won't Mum leave?
Thomas, are you awake? Thomas, please speak to me. Baby boy, when you're ready, come down the stairs. I'll make you your favourite breakfast. Okay? I fell. I'm sorry, son. Come and sit beside me. Do you need the hospital? Can I get you anything? Painkillers? Food? Thomas! I'm sorting things. As soon as my wages come in, we're leaving.
Of course we are, Mum.
This time we are.
That's what you said last time, and the time before that. Where is he?
His usual haunt. He'll be back later on.
Uncle Tom's so drinking again.
He said he's not going to drink. And see if he does, I'm not going to let him in.
You shouldn't let him back in at all, Mum.
And Jess, what's your opinion? You must think something.
Also, now you're admitting to me things aren't right.
Jess, just answer the question.
I just want all to stop. It's hard to be happy again. Since Uncle Alec died, Dad's changed. You all have.
You both know that grief hits people differently. I mean, we know this behaviour's not okay. He knows it's not okay. Thomas, I'm sorry this happened to you.
I'm gone out.
You can't. You need to be careful. Are you sure you'll be okay?
I need to be with my mates.
Can I come too?
Don't think so.
Mum.
Jess, just leave him be. Baby boy, you need to be careful. I mean, see if there's any pain, you need to come home. You promise, okay?
No offence, Mum, but I managed all night myself. I think I can manage all day too.
You got a warrant or something?
Robbed a bank. That's how I got the cider.
Hi, Paul. Said Jess, Paul.
Get over the man.
Do you want Jess?
To hang out, is that okay?
Maybe after a makeover.
And what's wrong with how I look, eh?
Let's see your glasses.
Give me them.
Man, how do you even see out of these?
Give them back.
Touchy.
What you drinking, Tommy?
Never you mind. We beat it. She's so fucking embarrassing.
Yeah, fuck off, geek.
Tommy!
You heard? You fuck off, geek.
I'm telling Dad!
Shit, Jess!
I don't care, I'm telling Dad!
Jess, don't you go mad.
What's it worth?
Come on, don't be a snake.
Dad! I'm telling, that's what geeks do!
You know a geek. I'm sorry.
I do not accept your apology.
Give me my pocket money this week. Just shh.
Nah, try harder.
I'm 2 weeks pocket money then.
Let me think about it. Nope. Try again.
What then?
You tell me. Anyways, imagine drinking whatever it was. When you moan about Dad's drinking.
This is completely different.
Is it? Dad will be fine with it and say nothing when I tell him.
Jess, you know he won't. He'll do me. I'll just say something. Do you know what he gets like with me?
Do I?
Yes! Yes, you did, Jess. Just hear no one in the end of a punch from him. It's always me getting punished.
Then stop doing things to annoy him. That's why he punishes you.
You think to annoy me, so maybe I should punish you.